Today, we're diving into the world of mobile applications, specifically focusing on a unique type of app that seamlessly combines timekeeping with real-time weather updates. Let's explore the features and benefits of this innovative tool. A transparent clock weather application for Android is a versatile tool that combines timekeeping and weather information into a single, visually appealing interface. It typically features a customizable widget that can be positioned on the home screen, allowing users to view the current time, date, and weather conditions without obstructing the background image or other app icons. Some may enable users to turn off the screen by simply shaking the device, covering the proximity sensor, or tapping a specific area on the screen. Additionally, these applications can help prolong the life of the physical power button and provide a more convenient way to manage screen usage. Many of them also come with customization options to suit individual preferences, making it easier to integrate into users' daily routines. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this discussion on screen-off applications insightful. See you in the next video.